Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. We are back.
And we are super excited to be back.
I know, with interesting things, guys. We are so excited and we want to share all this joy with you guys.
We thought we shall always share happiness with you people.
I know. How do you feel about this exciting
I feel
new journey?
I feel extremely excited. I feel like it's gonna be a bright day.
Oh my god. I can't really explain the happiness I have right now for you guys because it is just a dream come true.
You understand when you say dream come true?
Dream come true. You guys have been really complaining so much about our video qualities, the voice, and everything. And you know what? God really blessed us this time round.
Good things come for those who wait.
Who wait and who pray so hard. So guys, we really prayed so hard to get what we are going to unveil.
That's fasting.
I know. Did you fast? How long did you fast, Betty?
It's not good to lie.
But actually, guys, really prayed so hard for the equipment. We are so happy. The camera is finally here, and we are ready to show you guys. This is the camera. You see that? This is the camera we have. So we wanted to unbox this camera with you guys because we want to share all the joy with you guys. So this particular camera is a 4K action camera kit. So this was sent to us from a friend, one of the viewers there.
We love you, our subscribers.
We love you guys. So this was sent to us from a friend, and we are really so excited. We are really so happy. We are really so blessed to have you as a friend. And I can't really explain much.
Yeah.
So we are going to unbox this beautiful camera with you. Hope these videos are going to be solid, so if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe because the
gadgets
are already here.
Arrived.
The gadget is right here, and of course we hope for the better gadgets as well.
It's just the beginning.
This is just the beginning. So let's unveil our equipment. We also have the memory card. It came with they gave us memory card as well for the camera. So
It's
Samsung
64 GB.
64 GB. You can read to them.
It's a Samsung 64 GB, so you understand. More content,
guys. No jokes, no more jokes, guys. We are going to
no
give you. So let's start. Vlog. How are we going to even open?
Let's do choose.
How do you feel?
I'm super excited. I am overwhelmed. I'm almost losing words because it's gonna be another start.
It's a new beginning for us, guys.
For us. We don't know about you. No, but for you guys are always there for us. For better, for us.
Better for us. Let's reveal the camera. See, that is.
I didn't bring the Rafa. Wait, let me bring this. You know that fun.
A few moments later.
So let's reveal. Oh my god, what is falling? What is falling? Oh my god, it comes with a stand! You know, we saw this camera, we thought it was just a normal camera.
And we're praying.
We're praying whether it comes with a stand.
Yes,
it comes with a stand. That's how it comes. I'm so excited.
This is like something we have been waiting for like forever. So you understand our excitement. You understand.
That's how it is.
Oh my god.
Exactly how it looked like.
Oh my god.
Are you guys seeing? I don't know that I'm showing them right.
Yeah.
That's how it is. This is the camera.
Yeah.
It's very tiny. Oh my god.
But it can do magic.
It's very tiny.
The one we've been praying for.
So this one, I don't know if I first see.
We shall let you know.
We shall see how it works.
Oh my god.
The camera is really so tiny.
The camera is so tiny.
Let's remove our gadget. It's a GoPro camera. This is how it
But this is like a dream come true.
I know.
It's so tiny, but I guess full of much.
Just how?
Oh my god!
Yes,
It's like a star!
No, but first say how we're going to put it. Yeah, somewhere that you first hold. You shove them. What is this? I know. Please remove before using.
Where's the microphone? The one you stick from the one you stick.
Just remove. There's a manual somewhere. Oh, it's in Chinese. Oh, wow. Japanese. There's nothing there. What is this? Is there anything here? There's something here as well. Oh my god, I'm super excited.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Where's the
The battery.
Oh! We are not running. We are not gonna run short of battery.
Yeah, 2 hours battery.
2 hours of vlogging.
The battery is right here. Then what is this? I think this is the charger. This is comes with the charger. Oh my god, this is really amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So much.
Thank you
I'm
so
so excited. And that's what it is. So let's set our camera.
Now, since this even English, Christy.
Hey, do you know we are looking for something that we can be able to?
Oh my god, it's in a different language. We can't read.
Which language is this? Chongqing?
Chongqing!
Oh my god.
Could that be English?
There's nothing.
Oh, we need a Google Translate.
Let me not spoil our gift. You know, it's really so tiny but
Yeah.
very portable. I think this one no one even will notice that you're filming. I think it's a good thing.
Yeah, it's a good thing. Because usually when
Because
they see you with those
big
big
gadgets,
gadgets,
yeah.
they think maybe you're from the media.
Yeah, but I think this is really so perfect.
Yeah.
Expect exciting videos, new videos, better quality. I think this is the last poor quality video that
Exactly, totally, no doubt.
No doubt, guys.
No
So
doubt.
this is what we have. Yes. Hello, guys.
Welcome back to our channel. Today we are
Subscribe, like, and
and share.
look at every 5. Finally, the gadget is right here. We don't know how to use it. We're just going to use the manual.
And I'm sure we shall get it. Just give us time.
Yes, we're going to read through. But we just wanted to share with you guys our excitement. The gadget is right here officially. We have it's a GoPro camera, Bluetooth. That's where was it written?
Everything is
4K video, then Retina LDC screen, 2 hours battery life, then Bluetooth, of course remote. What do you expect? Amazing. see where this is supposed to go.
Where?
This around is supposed to go. Yes, this goes here. Let me just break it by now. But I think it goes somewhere. This is so amazing. That's what we had for you today. The gadget is right here. Pray for us, support us.
I think now we are going to produce more of the quality videos.
Exactly.
We already have.
Okay, you've not
good
even held
content.
it yet.
We already have good content, so you understand. We just needed quality. We just needed a gadget. We prayed and fasted until things came.
Yes.
It's like a dream come
It's
true.
a dream come true.
Yeah.
See someone who joins us. So we're really so excited, guys.
Yeah.
If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, subscribe, like. If you're expecting more exciting videos, if you want us to do something, just leave your comment down below. And if you're new to this channel, you're most welcome.
You
Love
are the
guys
right time.
so
If you're new, you are
much.
the right time, in the right place, with the right people.
With the right people. We love you so much. See you in the next video.